Hey everyone, in today's video tutorial I'm going to start working on a new sensor, that is MPU-6000. To get an idea for this sensor, let's go to controleverything.com and search here for MPU-6000. So MPU-6000 is a 6-axis motion tracking, 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer digital motion processor. I will be interfacing it with a Raspberry Pi and a Java code. For the Java code, go to the source tab and here is our Java code. Click on this Java code and you can download it from here. You can also download the Java code from our GitHub repository, Control Everything community. Now let's have a look over the connections and let's proceed further. Now to the hardware connections part. This is a Raspberry Pi which you are able to see on my screen, and these are the GPIO pins of the Pi. This is an I2C shield which is very useful in making connections with other I2C devices rather easy. Make this connection and place the I2C shield over the GPIO pins like this. Now this is our sensor which is MPU-6000 and this is a connecting cable. Make this connection of the connecting cable and the sensor like this. While making this connection, please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor and similarly to the I2C shield. Now to power up our Pi, we need a micro USB cable just like this and insert it here. And this is an Ethernet cable. This is useful in making internet connection. Place it over the Ethernet jack like this. And if you don't have an Ethernet cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module just like here. So these are the hardware connections which we will require in this project. Now let's move to our code. Coming to the interfacing with the sensor, we need a Java code. For that, go to github.com and search here for Control Everything community, as you can see on my screen. Click on this and here search for MPU-6000 and here it is. And here is our Java code. One instruction is there that we have used Pi4j library on our Raspberry Pi, and this link provides the procedure to install this. So please do it carefully. This is the command to compile the code and this is to run the code. Please keep it in mind. Now get back to Java code, and this is our Java code with .java extension. As you can see, first of all, we have imported several Pi4j libraries for our requirement and created a class named MPU-6000. The address of our sensor is 0x68, as you can see. For the writing section, first of all, we have selected gyroscope configuration register having address 0x1b and send a data of 0x18. Similarly, we have acceleration configuration register and its address is 0x1c and the data we have sent is 0x18. Similarly, we have power management register having address 0x6b and send the data for 0x01. Now coming to the reading section, we have read 6 bytes of data from 0x3b. This data is acceleration data from x, y and z axis, and this is the conversion of the acceleration as per the datasheet formula. Similarly, the reading part and the conversion part of our gyroscope is here, which is according to the datasheet. At the end of the code, we have our data on acceleration with respect to x, y and z axis. Similarly, we have our gyroscopic rotation in x, y and z axis. So this is how our code works. Now let's see how it works with our sensor. For the working part, first of all, copy this entire code and go to the terminal. Here create a new file with .java extension, as you can see on my screen. Paste the entire code and save it. Now for the compilation process, this is the command as you can see on my screen, and the code is being compiled. The code is compiled successfully. Now to run this is the command and there is our data. Now when I'm rotating and running the command, there is a change in acceleration and rotation in x-axis and y and z-axis. Again sending the command, there is a change in data for acceleration and rotation. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. So we have just seen the working of motion tracking sensor MPU-6000. Being the world's first integrated 6-axis motion tracking device that combines 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer and digital motion processor in a small package. It's being adopted by smartphones and tablets manufacturer. They find use in large applications like enhanced gaming, augmented reality, vehicle, pedestrian navigation and so on. You can buy this product from our website controleverything.com. The Java code is available on the site as you can see. The Java code is also available on our GitHub repository Control Everything community. For further queries, you can contact us on controleverything.com and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For blogs, articles, videos that are relevant to these, please reach us on hackster.io and also on Instructables. For more videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. In the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.